So guys, what do you want to do today? Maybe we can play a funny sound from the hallway and see how the people on the sofa react. Okay, what sound could we play? Maybe we could play a woman yelling, "Oh, excuse me." Okay, then let's go downstairs and do that now. Okay. Okay, let's play it. Okay, let's do it now. What's that? I heard something. I heard something in the hallway and it yelled, "Oh, excuse me." I'm not sure what it was for. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure either. Well, it must be something. That was funny. Anyways, we should go to the sofa now, okay? It was just the whole time, Daddy, we played it. Oh, it was U buttons, yeah. Well, we're gonna go on the sofa now, okay? Well, my friends are on the sofa now. Here they are, your folk.